Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download Google Sheets on computer. So how to download Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on the browser. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this 9-dot icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then scroll down. And select Sheets here. Here you will enter Google Sheets. To install it, just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this 3-dot icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. Tap Case Save and Share. And tap Download here. Tap Install. Back to the main page of the computer. Now you can see here that Google Sheets has been added. So that's it, tutorial how to download Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.